Is non-verbal communication all about just writing or body language or something else? How does non-verbal communication or verbal communication help us to actually improve our communication skills? Hi everyone, this is Srimar Mahapatra. I'm a communication skills specialist and founder of Odisha Digital Coaches Hub. Let me go ahead and get into the details about verbal communication and non-verbal communication and how we can use it in our day-to-day practical life. Starting point is to understand that there are 3 V's to communication skills: verbal, visual, vocal. Verbal is all about what you're saying and what you're writing, the words or the sentences. Visual is all about your body language, and vocal is all about the tone or the voice that you are using. While writing, you may think that how can we use tone? Well, every writing, every sentence has a tone. You can write a sentence politely, or you can write a sentence very directly, assertively, aggressively. You know what I'm talking about, the tone. Did you get it? Just type yes, I know in the comments below. And as always, I would love you to participate. The more you participate, the more you learn. So when we are talking about verbal communication, we are definitely talking about the written and spoken form of expressing your thoughts, your feelings, and your ideas. Things like the words that you are using, sentences that you are constructing, what is the structure of the sentence, the accuracy grammatically, whether it is there or not, the speed of processing your thoughts, the simplification of spoken and written form. If these things are taken care of, then your verbal element out of the 3 V's of communication is strong enough. Now, when we are talking about non-verbal communication, we are moving on now to the rest 2 V's of the 3 V's: vocal and visual. So attributes like body language, postures, gestures, which are hand movements and head movements, expressions, which is very, very powerful, your smiling, your eye contact, your tonality, as I have already spoken about it, like what is the energy level at which you're talking, what is the intention or the feeling that you're putting into your tone or your words is your tonality. And of course, voice modulation, whether you are speaking at a constant rate, you're speaking too fast, you're speaking in a high pitch, low pitch, all of that will come under modulation. And all of this is a part of non-verbal communication. The summary, what I want to tell you, it's about all the 3 V's, not just 1 or 2. So whenever you're communicating, whether you're writing or you're speaking, make sure that you have the correct tonality, you have the correct sentence constructions, you're using the right words, and don't forget the most important part, which is body language, especially when you're speaking to someone. Many people have a very blank face of expression. However, we need to learn how to express ourselves using our face, right? So we need to smile, we need to make eye contacts, we can use our eyebrows, we can use our nodding of head, we can use our hand, we can use our body posture to express ourselves. So please don't forget that all of these combined together will give you a very nice package of communication. So if you want your communication to be effective, don't forget both the verbal and the non-verbal, which is vocal and visual. I hope this video was really useful to you. If it was, type 100% useful in the comments below. I would love to see them. I know that you must be looking at so many of such videos, but you are still lacking some effectiveness in your communication. It happens because you are probably not getting the right environment and the right practice methods to improve your communication skills. If you would like to get both of them, then go ahead and click the links in the description. Don't forget to check them out. It will help you to join my amazing community dedicated for especially your public speaking improvements. So go ahead, do that. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next content.